Hello grade 8. In this video we will learn how to factorize the difference between two squares. Difference of two squares. Here in the first, if we multiply x plus y and x minus y together, we get expression consists of three terms. Okay. Here the first term in this expression, first term, second, third, and third term. We can multiply the two binomials here with the inspection method. Okay, so the first term equals x times x. X times x, yes, x power 2. And third term equals 2 times, y times y equals what? Positive y times negative y equals negative y power 2. Now, to find the second term, you can check what? The sum of product of means x and the product of extremes. Product of means x times y equals xy, and the product of extremes x times negative y equals negative xy. Now, the sum of them equals, yes, 0. So, here we don't have the middle term or the second term in this expression. So, general, if we multiply two binomial, liken them in everything, only different in the sign. One of them positive and the other is negative. Therefore, we get expression consists of two terms only, like this: x power 2 minus y power 2. This expression is called difference of two squares. Difference of two squares. Difference of two squares. Okay. Now we need to factorize the difference between two squares. Now factorize each of the following. In number 1 here, x power 2 minus 16. Okay. Okay. This expression here consists of two terms only. So it's called direct until now. It's called difference between two squares. The first term, perfect square. Second term is perfect square, okay? And difference between two squares, you can say equal sum of two quantities times the difference of two quantities. So, to factorize x bar 2 minus 16, in the first step, you can only open two pairs of arcs, write two pairs of arcs in the first, then put positive sign in the first and in the other, take the negative sign. Third step, find the square root of the first term. Square root of the first is x, so write x here and also x here. In the second step, or fourth step, find the square root of the second term in expression. 16, square root of 16 equals 4. So write 4 here and also write 4 here only. Okay, this is perfect square. So perfect square of two quantities equals the sum of two quantities times the difference of two quantities. Okay. Here 4a power 2 minus 25b power 2. This is called what? Difference between two squares. Difference because what? Because the sign of them is minus. So difference between them. Two squares, perfect square and also perfect square. So it's difference, okay, between them. So only first step, open two pairs of arcs. One of them take positive sign and second take the negative sign. Find the square root of the first term, 2a, here also 2a. find the square of the second term, 25p power 2, square of it equals 5b, and right here 5b, okay? Now here 18x power 2 minus 50y power 2. This expression consists of two terms only. Now, this is called difference between two squares. Now, in the first, you must be check if you have a common factor or not. Yes, 18, 50, all of them is even number. So you can take 2 as highest common factor. So if you take 2 outside, 18x power 2 divided 2 equals 9x power 2 minus 50y power 2 divided 2 equals 25y power 2. So this expression becomes what? Becomes the difference of two squares. Now you can factorize as the previous steps. Write 2, don't forget it, please. Then open two pairs of the arcs. One of them takes the positive sign and the another takes the sign, negative sign. Square of the first term, square root of the first term, 3x, and also here write 3x. And in the second, square root of the second term, 5y, and here 5y. Last one in this exercise, half x power 2 minus 2. Okay, you can take half as highest common factor outside. If you take half, okay, outside, now half x power 2 divided half equals x power 2. But negative, right, negative is the same. 2 divided half equals 4. So this expression becomes difference of two squares, difference between two squares. Now write half as the same, open two pairs of arcs, one of them take positive sign and another take negative sign, square root of the first term, x, here x, square root of second term, 4 is 2, and also here 2, okay? Another idea of this lesson, choose the correct answer. In number 1, if a plus b equals 3, and also a minus b equals 5, then a power 2 minus b power 2 equals what? The value of a power 2 minus b power 2. Now, a power 2 minus b power 2, difference of two squares, difference between two squares. Now you can factorize it into two binomials. Okay, the first arc take positive sign and second take minus negative sign, sorry. Square root of the first term a, so write a here and also a here. P power 2 square root of it equals p and also here. Now, you have the value of a plus b. The value of a plus b equals 3. So you can replace it with 3. I mean here the two arcs, multiply with them. So multiply, sign. A minus b equals 5. Okay, a minus b equals 5. So you can replace this value with 5. So 3 times 5 equals 15. Okay, so the value of it equals 15. Number 2, the same idea. If x power 2 minus y power 2 equals 16, and x plus y equals 8, then x minus y equals, yes, you can factorize this expression in the first, difference between two squares, so open two pairs of arcs, one of them positive and another negative, take negative sign, square of the first term x and here x, okay, square root of the second term y, power 2 equals y, and also here y. the value of this expression equals 16. X power 2 minus y power 2 equals 16. And the value of x plus y equals 8. So you can replace it with 8. Then x minus y equals, good, 16 divided 8 equals 2. So the answer is 2. Thank you for your listening. Goodbye.